Do you ever feel like your business might be too boring to be able to get social media attention? Well, if so, you're going to love this segment because you are going to have a new approach to be able to think about here. Here's a quick story about a client of ours, Uncle Joe, in the manufacturing and printing industry. In fact, when we started working with Uncle Joe, he wondered if he had what it took to be able to go out and get clients using digital marketing. Before working with us, maybe like you, he was experienced where, he felt like he was invisible. He felt like that he was in some ways the world's best kept secret, even though his business was very solid and robust and had been around for over 30 years. And he really had no digital marketing presence. And so we put a plan in place, and here was the plan. And this is a plan that you can copy for your business also. So we started by creating content nuggets, content pieces, 1 to 2 short videos per month. We had the focus on solving clients' problems. They're identifying the friction points and problems, and each video addressed those problems. And then we put $1 to $3 campaigns behind them. Now, we call this in our framework connection campaigns. The result when we did this with Uncle Joe was ultimately we helped Uncle Joe grow his business and impact literally over 3 million views to his content pieces over a series of time. That ultimately led to a dream come true solution for Uncle Joe that led to his business growing and ultimately selling. Now, I'm not saying that that exact same thing is going to happen for you. However, what we do know, there's a few key lessons. Your product doesn't matter to your clients. There's an old saying by Dan Sullivan, people don't buy from us because they understand us. They buy from us when they feel understood. Check. Number 2, start focusing on your client's problems and friction point and create content around that. That's a secret weapon. Number 3, connect before trying to convert them. And you can leverage this by putting a small dollar budget behind it. If you'd like to learn more about how to put this strategy along with many other strategies like it to help get you more new leads, more new appointments, more new clients every single day, and you want to get the blueprint, we have an upcoming training right around the corner where you can connect with other 7 and 8 figure growth oriented peers, CEOs, founders, and more. If you'd like to learn more how to take advantage of that event coming up right around the corner, type connect down below in the comments. We'll send you all the details about our next event and go from there. And here's the thing. If you don't connect, it's costing you money. You're leaving money on the table because in order to, essentially convert, they've got to know you. They've got to respect you. They've got to trust you, don't they? That creates a bridge where they go, hey, I'm willing to try you. So connect first before you make your offer to convert. You'll be amazed at what happens. If you'd like to learn more about this blueprint and a lot more, type connect down below. We'll send you all the details about our upcoming event where we'll show you the entire playbook. Bye for now.